Hi, Ben Landstrom here from Pretty Artful. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. I'm kind of in a hurry today. It's my day off. My friend's coming from California. Just a lot of stuff's going on and I still haven't finished all my work. So, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it out. I hope you stay tuned. And I hope you hit that subscribe button. I love y'all. See you soon. You know, I was just thinking, what if there was like a secret timer that randomly would go off while you're doing your makeup? It could be 5 minutes into it, 10 minutes into it, just random amount of time. And you had to stop your makeup and leave the way that you looked. I think right now I would be doing real awesome. Yeah, look at it. Awesome. No, not really. Anywho, well, you saw the way that my makeup turned out tonight. Did it look good? I hope so. I think it will. So, this one is going to be kind of easy. My friend is coming, my best friend from California is coming tonight, and I just found out a couple hours ago, and she didn't even know either. It was just a good last minute thing. I haven't talked to her in a long time, and I miss her and I'm so excited, and I don't know, it's like, you want everything to be perfect, you want to look perfect, you want to look cute, because you want your friend to come and be like, that's my bitch right there. And so that's what I'm hoping to do, but it's like every time I sit down to start doing my makeup, oh, I forgot something else, I gotta keep on running downstairs. It's getting old. Anyways, I did all my face stuff, foundation, powder, some concealer, blush, and my eyebrows. And I put some concealer on my eyelids with some powder over it. So, make it easy for y'all. What we're going to start with is, I have to make a gray color, because I don't know what happened to the gray I used to have. It's gone. So, I'm going to take me back to Brazil. I'm going to use the white and the black, the matte. I don't know why I keep saying flat. I'm always like thinking about paint, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to mix just a little. I'm using this brush right here. A little black, a little white. And then, yeah, put it on my crease. It's a little bit too much black. Add a little white over it. Like that. I hope I don't sweat all my makeup off before I'm done. I had to turn the fan off and close the window, and it is starting to get hot already because I live in the desert. I still have a bunch of stuff I have to do before I can leave. Oh, it always works out that way, huh? Okay, wipe the excess off there. You could make it a lighter gray if you want. I'm going to the casino, so it's alright. It's fine the way it is. My nose is itching. Now, you got the gray. Now what we're going to do, I haven't even done my nails yet. Oh, God. I've been fixing the damn air conditioner, fixing the damn plumbing, fixing the hole in the ceiling from a leak that we had, patching up the leak from the roof. Me, all by myself. So, my fingers are dirty. My fingernails are dirty. And I need to do my nails before I leave. I'm not going to have enough time to do all this. I need to rewind time back about 3 hours. It'd be nice. I wish I could do that. Okay, so I hate sharpening my eyebrow pencil or my eyeliners on camera. I don't know why, it just really bugs me when I watch it. I need to remember to sharpen them before I start. We're gonna get black eyeliner, and we're gonna, doesn't matter if you're sloppy with it, do your entire eyelid. Well, the bottom portion of your eyelid, don't go up to your eyebrows. Okay. Now, we're going to take that brush right there and just use the black, any black you have, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to go, and we're going to blend it out. Okay, we're going to do this. Put some of your setting powder underneath so we don't have big old mess to clean up. Okay. Okay. I'm going to make sure you get the entire lid. Then what we're going to do, I'm going to have to tape it on because I broke the lid off of it. Or I broke the nozzle. And it's almost over with anyways. So, just going to put, it's glitter glue. Sorry, I didn't mention that. Cover up the hole. Okay, now gotta get the glitter ready before you do this. I got my handy dandy glitter compartments. I'm gonna use black, and I'm gonna also use a little bit of this dark chocolate brown that I have. So, put it on my eyelid, like so, and then put it in the black, put it in the brown, and then just like that. Okay. Same over here. Okay. Get this little brush with some of that brown and go or if you have brown liner, you can do the same thing. I just didn't bring my brown eyeliner, and I've made too many trips up and down to worry about it. Because brown liner would probably stay longer. And you have more control over where it goes. But, hey, nothing's ever easy for me. I sabotage myself, I think. Okay. Like that. Okay. Then we're going to take our black and we're going to go in the waterline. Now, I was going to do red lips, but I'm thinking of changing my mind on that. Now we're going to put this Ulta Beauty contour stick. Then, of course, my all-day lipstick, number 700, CoverGirl. Like that. And I'm going to go do my eyelashes, and I'll be back. Okay, so here's the finishing product. I am sweating to death, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I put gloss on my lips, the one that comes with the all-day lipstick. And then I put a little bit of like a champagne LA Color loose powder on my brow bone. And my hair, of course, is not done, and it's time for me to leave. So I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I hope you try it out, and let me know what you think. Love y'all.